lost 97% of our staghorn Elkhorn coral, the once most prevalent species that we had here in the Florida Keys. And it's expected that in the next 80 years, all shallow water coral reefs will go extinct. Thanks to all of you guys in Coralpalooza for the 1,760 corals. For some more thank yous, take a moment to acknowledge our Coralpalooza sponsors. From our ecosystem sponsor is the Amoray Foundation. Please give a huge round of applause for Amoray. Amoray is a research vessel that helps to facilitate all sorts of science and technology and making education more accessible to people who can't have the ocean in their backyards. And without them, we could not have put the 650 corals on Carey's Fort down today that we did. So thank you, Amoray. We also want to thank our beach sponsor at Fury Adventure Water Sports down in Key West. And then the dive community is incredibly supportive here, you guys might have noticed. The Elkhorn sponsors, people who donated a portion of the dive charter costs, were Horizon Divers, Island Ventures, John Pennekamp Colby State Park, Key Dives, Keys Diver, Rainbow Reef, and Silent World Dive Center. Thank you to them. And our coral sponsors at Reefbox and Filterpin, thank you as well.
All right.
And we also want to give a shout out to a few extra people. One of the shout out friends at For Ocean and at Stream to Sea, as well as a huge shout out to the Caribbean Club. If you guys enjoyed the new venue, please give them a round of applause. They were amazing in helping us to organize this. They've already left, but thank you to Meat as well. I hope you guys enjoyed the buffet options tonight, as well as to our local Monroe County Sheriff's Department, who has been helping to direct traffic and help you guys with
All right, so we're back from planting coral today, and we planted 360 Elkhorn Coral for World Oceans Day, June 8, 2019. 360 Elkhorn Coral in one dive session, half a day, is about how much they can usually do in one full day without volunteer effort that Coralpalooza 2019 provided. So get out there, volunteer, help out. It's a significant way to give back to Mother Earth. Right? Eat life, drink happiness, people.